So we're given this isosceles triangle here. So if we draw this first altitude here, that's going to split the base equally. So each one would be 40 and 40. And if you look at this right triangle here, this is our right triangle. And if you look at these sides, this is our multiple of 3, 4, 5 triangle. So this first altitude is 30. Now, we know that the area would be half base times height. And we can write that from the other direction too. So if we consider that as the base, and if this is h2, that would be half 50 times h2. So we can find the other altitude using that. That 0 goes out, that becomes 16. Second altitude is 48. And since that base is 50 as well, that third altitude is also 48. So we have our three altitudes. And if you just add them, 96 plus 30 is 126. So this turned out to be an easier question than what I thought at first. And this is going to be an issue in the exam where unless you kind of do some work, it's hard to know whether this will be an easy question or a difficult question. And it's just impossible to just gauge that by just looking at the question. So sometimes you have to do a little bit of work. As it turns out, this was way easier than I initially thought. So the answer is 126.